Hi, second grade, it's Mrs. Gorski, and I'm bringing you a video today that's going to be talking an important concept about trading. Because we're going to be playing a game called Collect 25 Cents. And when we play that game, it's going to be very important that we understand the concept of trading. When I say trading, is I'm going to give something to someone and they have to return something back to me that's going to be equal or the same as what I gave them. So when I think about some things in real life that I can trade with friends, I'm thinking about maybe stickers. I'm thinking about maybe playing cards like baseball cards or Pokemon cards that you can trade with a friend. I'm thinking about maybe video games that you could be trading with a friend. Now, the trading that we're going to be doing is taking coins and we are going to be grouping them together to make larger coins. So first, before we begin, I want to start going over each one of these coins. Okay, we're going to talk about their names and their values. It's always important to review those things. So this first one we're going to be doing, it's the least value. It is a penny and it's worth 1 cent. So remember, when we are going to be counting pennies, we have to count by ones in this particular case. The next one is a nickel. They are worth 5 cents. So we are going to be skip counting by fives in order to count nickels. Our next one in value is going to be dime. Dimes are worth 10 cents. So therefore, I'm going to be skip counting by tens to count dimes. And the last one is the quarter. So in this case, quarters are worth 25 cents. And that is the strangest way to skip count, of course, by 25s. Now, the gist of Collect 25 Cents is to go from our least amount to the greatest amount, which is going to be the quarter in this case. So in order for me to start this game, I'm always going to start with my lowest amount. So when we start trading, you have to constantly be asking yourselves the same questions over and over. Do I have 5 cents? Do I have 5 pennies? Can I make that trade? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these over to the side and I'm going to start with 1 penny. The only thing that I could trade for 1 penny is another penny. So I cannot, because there's nothing less than a penny. So I just have to keep on adding on to the penny in order for me to decide, can I trade it for something more? So if I have 2 pennies, can I trade that for a bigger coin? No, because I don't have a coin that is worth 2 cents. 3 pennies, 3 cents? Still no, I don't have a coin that's worth 3. 4 cents? Still no, I don't have a coin that's worth 4. Now, I have 5 cents. I have 5 pennies. Could I trade? Could I change the 5 pennies into something else? Yes, I can take now these 5 pennies and I could change it into a nickel. So that's the issue of trading. I took a group of pennies, I put them off to the side to equal out 1 nickel. So whether I have the 5 pennies here or I have the nickel, it's still going to mean 5 cents and it's going to mean the same thing. Now, I'm going to put this nickel off to the side. And now I'm going to continue on with counting pennies again, because this is how the game is going to be played. So now I have to ask myself, can I trade for 6 cents? Nope. Can I trade a coin for 7 cents? Nope, I don't have a coin that's worth 7. Can I have a coin that's worth 8? 5, 6, 7, 8? Nope. Is there a coin that's worth 9? Nope. Is there a coin that's worth 10? Yes. Now what I can do here is I could kind of have like a double trade situation. I can take these 5 pennies and I can trade it in for a nickel, remember. But now let's think. I do have a coin that is worth 10. Because remember, if I have 2 nickels, 5, 10, I can now trade for something else. If you know what that is, it's a dime. Now think, when you're getting higher with your coin amounts, there's going to be other ways that you could make 10 cents. There's definitely ways. You can make with 10 pennies. You can make it obviously with 2 nickels. You can make it with a nickel and 5 more pennies. There's a lot of ways that you could make 10 cents. But in order for this game to be played, there is kind of a process. So I like to do the penny sets to kind of keep us on the straight and narrow here. So yes, I can trade these 2 nickels now for 1 dime. So now I'm at 10 cents. Remember, our main focus is I want to get to the quarter. So now I'm going to continue. I want to add more pennies. Let's see. Can I trade something now for 11 cents? Because I have 10 and 1 more makes 11. Nope. 12? Nope. 13? Nope. No coin that's worth 13 cents for sure. 14? Nope. 15? Well, I don't have a coin that's worth 15 cents, but look at what I have in front of me again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. What should I do? I'm now going to take those pennies and change them into a nickel. So now I have 10 cents plus another 5 cents. 10, and I put out my 5 just in case if you don't know to go from a 10 to a 5 and skip counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now I'm at 15 cents. Let's keep on rolling. I'm going to continue now with the pennies. Here's 16 cents. Can I make a trade? Not yet. 17 cents. 18 cents. 19 cents. 20 cents. Well, look what I can do. I don't have a coin that's 20 cents, but I could make some trades to help me out. So here we're going to do this again. I can take 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, what could I always trade them for? A nickel. But remember what we did when we got this guy first. Remember those 2 nickels. 5, 10. I could make another trade. Now look at what I have. 10, 20. Am I still at my 25? Not yet. So let's keep on going. Here's 21 cents. Could I make a trade? Nope. 22 cents. Could I make a trade? Nope. 23. Still nope. 24, not yet. 25, well, now things are going to be changing. So here I go. I could take these 5 pennies. Remember, I can trade 5 pennies for there's my nickel again. Now, take a look at what I have. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now, who can I trade this for? Here we have it. Here's our 25 cents. You needed, let me bring them back, 2 dimes and a nickel to make your 25 cents to trade that up. Could we continue this game and get a higher amount? Yes, we will eventually play games called Collect 50. We will play games called Collect $1. But right now, we're only worried about getting to this guy, the 25 cents. So maybe if you're at home, you can do some trades at home with mom and dad. It's very important to try and develop these skills right now because it's going to be helping us with our game. Stay tuned. I'm going to have another video and I'm going to bring a special guest in order to play the game Collect 25. And I hope you enjoy it. See everybody soon.